Yeah, Bert Brown, M7WJO. Still on holiday in Ludlow, just overlooking a famous nature spot, Whitcliffe. Look over the town, and it's just coming to sunset. Absolutely beautiful. The rain's cleared today, and it's there's still a bit of fog in the air, but it's absolutely a beautiful view of Ludlow town. So I just pulled over for that, and to let you know that, as promised, I've been smoking the Muxiang olive wood pipe with some Drunken Sailor in it, which is my own blend. 50% Latakia, 50% black cherry. Very nice on these cold afternoons. So yeah, been quite busy today really. Been over to Leominster, been around a few antique shops, and went back to see the old haunt that I lived in, Elizabethan Manor House in Lower Lye. I mentioned the ghost story, if you're interested. That was set there, and discover it's completely been scaffolded up. Looks like something's collapsed really, so the building's derelict, and a bit of a shocker really. So I'm not quite sure what's happened to it, whether there's been a fire or it's needed some sort of major renovation. It is a very imposing building. Like I say, it's an Elizabethan house, and I know there are all kinds of planning restrictions on a house like that, so not quite sure what's happened to it, but the lane up to it was particularly bad. I don't think they've been maintaining these more remote country lanes, and so yeah, it's all looking a bit worse for wear. But anyway, did that over to Leominster, did a bit of shopping over there. I've left Angie back in the Airbnb because she's got her stenosis has flared up today. It's been quite bad on the whole trip really. So anyway, Fergus has benefited. He's had 3 walks today, and he's just about to have another one. So we're just going to go around the castle in Ludlow. Wanted to let you see again the Muxiang olive wood pipe. These are great smokers from China. Don't care what anybody says. Mike 7 Whiskey, Juliet Oscar. We'll be back, heading back home day after tomorrow. Keep warm, keep well, and I'll catch you again soon.